Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna look at the Royal Debut Trio by Holotaco. This is a limited edition collection of 3 polishes. They all come in this silver holographic box, so let's start with the swatches. First, we have this light pink linear holographic with pink shimmer. This is called Toe Beans, referring to the cat's paw. And it's a beautiful color. In this light, it looks a little bit more silver. But it has a lot of pink on it too. So you're gonna see the color building up in 2 to 3 coats. I have some patchiness here and there, but it's just because I didn't have enough polish to cover this swatch stick, which is like longer than my natural nails. But the coverage is amazing. The formula is really nice, and they all come with this white brush, which is very easy for the application. So I applied a top coat, and this is the final result. Absolutely stunning. Next, we have this light purple holographic with green shimmer. This is called Glamethyst, and it's a glitter polish. Very beautiful. It's not gonna be completely opaque in the first coat. I think you could use 3 coats in this case, or you can apply just one and then sponge on the rest, so it will look more packed and it will be easier maybe for the application. So here's with 2 coats, and it looks really good to me in 2 coats, but if you want to have like full coverage, I would recommend 3. This is a very nice color. It looks absolutely beautiful. It has all these glitter particles, and normally the glitter is a little bit textured, so I'm applying a smoothing coat. I really recommend this product because it's gonna leave very smooth the surface when you have glitters or flakies. And next we have the medium purple frosted metal with scattered holographic particles. So this is called Royal Crush, and it's a darker purple, as you see here, with like metallic flakies on it. And with 1 coat, it doesn't really look like the color on the bottle, so I would recommend 2 to 3 coats to get full coverage. And in 2 coats, you already see the darker purple on it, and it has full coverage for me, even in this swatch stick that is pretty long. But I'm still gonna try a 3rd coat so you could see the difference. This is a very pretty color, and I think it will look absolutely beautiful for nail art, just combined with the other 2 shades. So here it is after top coat. So here we have the 3 next to each other, so you can see the difference. And I also added this other 3, just I think it will be a great combination for nail art or for a complete manicure. They're all in the same color palette. So now I'm gonna do some stamping tests. This is just for fun. I knew that the linear holographic will stamp well just because of the formula. Over white it doesn't look as much, but we're gonna try it over black, and the result is absolutely beautiful. You have all these holographic particles. You can see some pink, some purple, some green, some parts a little bit orange. I think it's very versatile, and you can use definitely this one over other darker colors. Then I tried with the Glamethyst. This was just for fun because normally glitters don't stamp well. You can see that it did stamp with the clear part of the polish, and you have a lot of glitter also there, so it's not very clear. And here we have Royal Crush. This I didn't scrape like properly. It's a little bit darker, but you can see some glitters here and there, so that messes up a little bit with the shape. So here are all the swatches that I did, along with the stamping test that it really worked with Toe Beans. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!